Bob Fowler here with MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida, and I'm standing on the back deck of a brand new brokerage 2004 Sea Ray 270 Sundeck. And I'm telling you, when you follow the cameraman and look in the inside of this boat and then follow through with the pictures on our website, you're not going to find a 270 Sundeck 2004 in any better condition than this boat. All the upholstery, everything, the boat looks really well. Well, starting back here, of course, it's a 270 Sundeck. You got a freshwater sprayer here, and you've got your remote for the stereo back here on the back Sundeck, and of course your ladder. Let's walk into the boat. The 270 is real well known for all the space, and as you can see here, you've got a cooler built in as well as a freshwater sink. You close that off. Your storage here and a cooler goes there. And this has the 6.2 liter Mercruiser Bravo 3 outdrive, has the 320 horsepower motor. Just everything in the boat, all the storage areas, a huge storage area here, your battery switch is down under that cushion. Everything is in really great condition. You can see the upholstery. I mean, it looks really, really good. I've not found any scratches or any tears in the upholstery at all. Of course, back here to the sink, you've got a freshwater sprayer as well. Here at the helm, the boat only has 189 hours on it as a 2004, and it's just in tremendous shape. Come around this way, Mr. Cameraman. We'll go back in here. And as you can see, it's got a very large head, and it's got the pull-out sprayer. You can actually set down in here and take a shower. It's got your controls for your remote and a pump-out head. Also up here, it's got a bow closing door. On a windy day or a cool day, you can close this off, close the windshield. You have a bow closing door. And then with the little kids, you've got an area in here you can see down in full cushions. Down in there, it's actually large enough for small children to lay down and take a nap. There is a port light on the other side that you can open so you can get a breeze coming through. So it's just a really very comfortable boat. You look through here and you got this great bow. I'm 6'2", and so when I sit down, you can see there's plenty of room. So you've got plenty of room for people to sit. And then you've got another cooler built into the boat here and another freshwater sprayer up here. And where that comes in handy is this boat also has the optional, I can get it open here, you can see with the anchor, but it also has the fold-out ladder. So if people are using the ladder here to come aboard, they can wash down with the freshwater sprayer. Of course, your speakers, your cup holders all throughout the boat, your accessible storage in deck, really deep, very, very nice, very clean. This one back here is big enough to put skis and all kinds of wakeboards and stuff in, as well as wakeboards in this one. So this boat is in great shape. It'll be on the internet in just the next few days, and we are offering this boat, the seller, at $31,250. I'm telling you, you can't find another 2004 or even close to that, a 270 Sundeck in this kind of condition for that kind of price. Of course, it's got the full bimini top, the tan canvas, and come to see me, give me a call. My information will be on the listing. It's 527-5645, and that's area code 850. And this is MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. Thank you so much.